Alright, this is a video solution to the completing the square problem. So whenever we are completing the square, you want to move the constant over to the right. So you want your x squared and your x term on the left, and then the constant on the right. Alright, and then we are going to add something to both sides to complete the square. And in this case, what we're going to add is, well, in all cases, you take half of the middle term and square it. So when we take 8 and divide it by 2, we get 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 is what you add to both sides. And the reason you do that is to make this a perfect square trinomial. All right, and then because it's a perfect square trinomial, it's going to factor to something squared. And to factor it, we can go through the whole process of factoring, but it's easier if we just use a shortcut where you bring down x, you bring down this sign, and this number is what we got when we took half. So that's going to be a 4. All right, and then -1 plus 16 is 15. All right, and then we'll take the square root to get rid of the square. So that square root will just cancel out the square. Don't forget about your plus or minus in front of the square root. And we'll just move the 4 over in front of the plus or minus. Or after it doesn't really matter. Alright, so what we would do now is look for that answer. There it is. 4 plus or minus the square root of 15. That would make this one number 3.